how to get started in trading the Forex market. Hi traders, and welcome back. This video is actually specifically made for you guys that are just beginners and thinking about trading the Forex market. I actually did a survey early on, and a lot of you guys have expressed interest in the survey, and it has been revealed to me that a lot of you guys are just starting out and wanted to know how the stock market works, how day trading works, and how do you actually get started in trading the Forex market. So in this video, I will be talking about what day trading is, how do you actually take a trade, how much capital is required to start day trading, and lastly, the time requirement required if you were to become a day trader, whether you want to trade full-time, part-time, or just a casual trader. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So what is trading? First off, let's talk about what is a trader. A trader is someone who gets in and out of the market looking to make a profit either by buying a long position or a short position. A long position occurs when the trader goes into the market betting that the prices will be going up. A short position occurs when the trader bets that the market is going down. So as a trader, we can actually make money when the prices go up or when the prices go down if we pick the direction of the market correctly. There are many styles of traders, okay? There are day traders, traders that trade many times in a single day. There are swing traders, and they may take 1 or 2 trades a week. And then there are seasonal traders who may take 1 or 2 trades a year. Me specifically, I'm a day trader. So I take several trades a day, or another term for a day trader that takes several trades a day are short-term traders. So when we're actually going in and we're trading the markets, okay, we're looking for small movements. We're not looking for big movements. We're looking for, short-term movements that we can just go in, make a small profit and get out. So to summarize, day trading is a loose term for traders that get in and out of the market on the same day. Hence the term day traders. Day traders normally take short-term trades, and they generally trade on the lower time frames, such as the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, or the hourly chart. They rarely trade the daily chart or the monthly chart. With that being said though, even for day traders, some trades can last for several minutes, and some trades can last for several days to even several weeks, depending on the type of trades that you take. So how does day trading differ from investing in stocks? They differ for many reasons, so let me just briefly go over what these are. As investors, when they're actually investing in a stock, they can only make money if the price goes up. If it doesn't go up, they're not going to make any money. That's the key difference between an investor and a trader. The other key difference between traders and investors is that normally traders trade on margin, whereas investors invest and buy the specific stock by the amount of money that they own. Whereas for traders, we can actually go in, control a large amount of shares, okay, by putting down a small amount of capital. So in understanding that, as day traders, we normally trade with brokers that offer us a specific type of margin. So most Forex brokers has a 1 to 500 margin, meaning you have a buying power of 500 times your money. So if you were to put down $1 to buying something, your broker will actually put down 500 so that you can control more of whatever you're putting down. So for every $1 that you're putting down to trade towards a particular instrument, you're actually controlling $500 worth of that instrument. Now, With the benefits of actually trading with margin, there are also negatives that comes with it as well. The first thing is, since you're actually trading on margin, it actually is a lot more risky. Sometimes you can actually lose more than what your initial investment is. So you need to be careful whenever you're trading, let's say on the Forex market, or trading on any particular leverage instruments. You need to make sure that you have your money management risk in place, or you can risk losing more than your initial investment amount. Now, a lot of brokers actually know this, especially for beginners that are trading. They understand that sometimes traders don't know that they can actually lose more than they invest in. So the moment the trading account goes below zero, okay, or when it reaches zero or close to zero, the broker would actually automatically cancel your trades and get you out of position. Now, one of the other things with trading on margin is that if you hold a trade overnight, you run the risk of actually paying a swap fee, which is also similar to the interest that you pay from the position that you're controlling. So trading on margin, unless you're getting in and out every single day, it can actually be very, very expensive to hold trades overnight. Okay, cool. So now that you have established that day trading is the way to go for making maximum profits on the markets, how do you actually trade? So we actually trade through online brokers using specific softwares installed on our PCs. Now, with some brokers that don't actually require you to install a software, you can actually just trade directly through their web portal or their website. You know, we're actually so lucky to be living in today's times, because gone are the days where you actually have to, pick up a phone and call your broker to put on a trade, or required to have an expensive seat at a trading desk on the trading floor. So with the rise of electronic trading platforms, we can actually just trade at home, through our computer, through our laptop, or even through a mobile phone. You know, I see so many people trying to trade from the mobile phone these days. Even though it's possible, I highly recommend that you don't do this, because as professional traders, we don't do shit like that. We don't trade from a mobile phone. It's actually very unfortunate that there are so many scammy fake gurus out there and fake courses trying to advocate what a successful day trader actually looks like. They are giving off the wrong impression, and this is attracting the wrong type of people. And that is why the success rate of traders are so low. I think the percentage of traders that actually make money are 1% or less, and 99% of the traders actually lose money within their first 3 to 6 months. So here are some images that one might think what a successful day trader actually looks like. So this specific picture is actually selling the dream of a successful trader sitting on the beach, sipping his favorite cocktail. If you see anything like this, run the other way. It's just too scammy. Here is another one of another guy making a ton of money trading from his mobile phone, posing next to an expensive sports car. Successful traders are actually quite the opposite. It's a real business. It requires a lot of hard work. It's nothing fancy, and it's actually very boring. Trading is actually very boring. So the boring component of trading is actually what separates the pros from the amateurs. That is why only 1% of traders actually make it and become successful, whereas the other 99% don't make it and they actually blow their money or lose all their money. So now that we've actually established that we can actually trade from the comfort of our own home through our laptop or through our computer, the next question is, what can we trade? So as traders, we can actually trade CFDs, options, Forex, or futures. So what do these mean specifically? So let me explain that briefly to you guys right now. Make sure you do not miss out on my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you like this video, or if you have any comments or questions with this specific video, make sure you comment below and I will answer them for you guys. Okay, I'm typically around for the first 60 minutes after this video has been uploaded, so ask your questions. I'll be around live answering them, okay? And I'm going to be doing the same for my next video as well. So make sure you hit that notification bell icon so that when I upload my next video, you'll be notified, and I'll be around for the first 60 minutes to answer your questions live.